Okay, the top is pretty well done. We have a little bit more to do. Just tightening this side here a little bit more to like fit that side, but all in all the top came out pretty good. We still got to put the clips on the front, but we got it. And it's glass. Yay! All right, let's put the finishing touches on and be done. All right, guys, we're out here working on the air filter for the Hemi Cuda. We've got all this, all of that. Now what we need is a plate that'll hold this part to the scoop. Unfortunately, no one told us we needed that, so now we know we do. So, first thing we're going to do is make a template. We did that by measuring the outer part and the inner part. So we made it out of paper, traced it onto a piece of steel, and this is what we got. We'll have to clean that all up and get it all ready to go. It looks like it's going to rain, holy moly. So, that's what we got so far. Now, we've got to cut out this centerpiece here and then make all the holes around the edges to put on the scoop. I'm going to do that with a plasma cutter and basically trim it out later on. You make your cuts a little bit, like if you were cutting this, you wouldn't cut it here, you would cut it about out here. And then you trim it down later on. Just an easier way to do it. All right, let's get to it. Okay, this is what we've got so far. We're gonna clean that all up, make it real pretty, and then it goes inside the thing. That ring goes pretty much on the outer part here and sticks out to hold on the shaker hood. It's gonna be fun. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is make all the holes that are gonna hold the shaker top to it. As of now, the shaker top should go right on this thing. Let's get it and find out. Okay, this is why we make it extra big. Let me get my pen. We'll center it, and then you'll cut off all the excess. All right, we drilled the holes that hold it onto the air filter housing. So now we see if it's going to fit. Let's find out. Okay, basically that's what that does. Now if we have to, we can shrink it using the English wheel and give it a little bit of a pot belly. And what that'll do is that'll bring it down more. All right, guys, moment of truth. Here we go. I like it. Put the rubber around it and we're good to go. All right, guys, that's what you do when you can't find the parts anywhere. So now we've got everything ready to go. All right, guys, like and subscribe. We'll see you later.